This is from times when police was still militia. And this is, yes, traffic police. And gonna pick up a car, and at the end I'm gonna drive around in this car probably. Let's see. This is an American car, Ford, influenced. Moskvich 2141. I hope I won't get arrested or anything.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This is not museum. The museum is only outside. So, beautiful car, wow. And then I want this one. Out of them all, I want this one. By the way, a few cars are missing. Somebody stole them, right? Militia everywhere. And this transition happened during the Putin era. So, oh wow. Now this is some awesome stuff. Just left the stuff over there. Mission to the Russian, Soviet, and Russian police cars. Moscow, Moskva. All right, guys, we're in the Moscow near the center, and we're gonna check out in this video the amazing old Soviet and Russian both police cars, or traffic cars, I think. Hold up, let me give you a better view. All right, that's better. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Igor, Russia, traveling from the west. Behind the curtain to Russia, because this place is awesome. People are awesome, cities are awesome, history is awesome. So everything is great. And please subscribe and watch something that you cannot see elsewhere. And I think we are not able to actually get inside. This is just for the outside. I think so. So we're not able. We are going to have to look at this police and militia cars from outside. So check it out. This is I don't know the names of these cars, of course, but this is Mercedes. This is from times when police was still militia. And this is, yes, traffic police cars, DPS. And these are Moscow versions, as you can see on the door, Moskva, and the coat of arms of Moscow. So we're starting off from the 90s and gonna pick up a car, and at the end I'm gonna drive around in this car probably. Let's see. I think I can, if I get some money, I think it'll be okay. So from the 90s going backwards, and before DPS, as you can see in that hood over there, it used to be Guy. Or no, it's not. I think it's the same thing. Yeah, Gaishniki. Wow. This is an American car, Ford. Probably one of those things that's when America had a lot to say. Well, influenced, not had a lot to say, influenced. By the way, Russian police has the coolest signal, but this is not police actually. This is a hospital, yeah, ambulance. All right, moving backwards. What is this car, by the way? This is a Russian car, Gaz. And this is, I think this is the coolest looking. Don't you agree? Militia doesn't have Moscow coat of arms there. I wonder, can I get closer? All right, so this is like early 90s, I think. Moskvich 2141. Oh wow, this is some epic stuff. All right, and let's go to the Soviet times. 85. This is let's go if this is a museum, I don't know. I hope I won't get arrested or anything.
was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Это не музей ведь, нет? Только с улицы, да? So I actually entered the police office, traffic police office. I didn't point a camera at him because I felt right away that this is not museum. The museum is only outside, so we're gonna check it out. So here we have Moskvich once again. Beautiful car, wow. I'm not sure what times. This is like maybe like 70s already, right? Those who car enthusiasts, please let me know. Oh wow, this is a proper Soviet car. This is a beautiful. I want this one. Out of them all, I want this one. Oh my god. I wonder if does it travel fast? You could adjust it probably. But this is a piece of history, you know. So, by the way, a few cars are missing. Somebody stole them, right? What do you think? Дежурная часть. So it's like, I don't know what this means. Militia everywhere. And this transition happened during the Putin era from militia to politia, police. Yeah, militia. I don't know. It's not militia. It's not militia. I think it's a bit different in English words. Oh wow! Now this is some awesome stuff. This one is actually. This is the coolest one. Don't you agree? Check out the tires. Since Sanction Ivan is the enthusiast here, I gotta ask him, what does he think about Russian police cars? Are they any good? I mean, these ones here. But what about the new ones? Alright guys. Just left the stuff over there. Alright. I wonder why. Alright guys, this was an exhibition to the Russian, Soviet and Russian police cars. I almost got pulled into one during my stay here and just, well, thank God I wasn't going with the camera and 3 bags inside. Now that would be suspicious. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye from Moscow. Moskva.